Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can capture a portrait picture with a color backdrop on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and on the home screen open up the camera app. Then from here you want to swipe across to portrait mode. Next, we're going to tap on this effect button, and then you want to swipe across. Here we select backdrop. So you can see it's a backdrop right there, and at the bottom here you can also apply the effect strength. I'm going to increase it all the way to 7, and here we're going to position face in the circle. So we need to position the face in the circle. So I'm going to switch to my front selfie camera. And that's it. So in here you can see there is now a background color. Now this background color will automatically be set by the camera. Sometimes it's purple, sometimes it's blue, sometimes it's gray or brown. So it is automatically determined based on the background color behind you. And that's it. And then from here we can capture the picture by tapping on the shutter button. And that's it. So we're just going to wait for the background to apply to the picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.